Hello viewers. Sports. Sports play a very vital role and occupy a large portion of our life. It not only makes us happy but even keeps us fit and makes our body strong. 29th August celebrated as National Sports Day in India. Now, question might arise in your mind that why on 29th August only? What is the reason behind it? Your question will be answered in this video. So, watch the video till end. Can you guess this sports personality? Yes, you guessed right. He is none other than the legendary hockey player Major Dhyan Chand. The National Sports Day in India is celebrated on 29th August on the birth anniversary of hockey player Major Dhyan Chand. This day marks the birthday of Major Dhyan Chand Singh, the hockey player who won gold medals in Olympics for India in the year 1928, 1932 and 1936. About his early life, Dhyan Chand was born in Allahabad on 29 August 1905 in a Rajput family. He was the elder brother of another hockey player Roop Singh and the son of Sharda Singh and Sameshwar Singh. Dhyan Chand's father was enlisted in the British Indian Army and he played hockey for the army. A young Dhyan had no serious interest in sports, though he loved wrestling. Apart from an occasional game with his friends in Jhansi, Dhyan Chand did not play any hockey worth mentioning before he joined the army. Chand joined the Indian Army at the age of 16 in 1922. It was at the army that his dribbling skills were noticed by Subedar Major Bale Tiwari. He became his mentor and helped Dhyan Chand improve his game. Between 1922 and 1926, he played the army hockey tournaments and the regimental games. Eventually, Dhyan Chand was selected for the Indian Army team tour of New Zealand. 3 goals in the last 4 minutes to win the game. Once, during the game, Major Dhyan Chand was not able to strike the ball into the goal post of the opposite team. After several misses, he argued with the match referee regarding the measurement of the goal post. To everybody's amazement, he was right. The goal post was found to be in contravention of the official minimum width prescribed under international rules. During the finals of the Punjab Indian Infantry Tournament in Jhelum, the UP team was leading by 3 goals to 1. Only 4 minutes to go. Dhyan Chand responded with 3 goals in 4 minutes to lead his team to victory. He seemed to be able to pass opponent after opponent will. At the Berlin Olympics 1936, Dhyan Chand couldn't play in the final due to an injury. At halftime, when India led by 1-0, Dhyan Chand removed his shoes and entered the field barefoot. He took India to a stunning victory, scoring 6 more goals. Adolf Hitler couldn't bear the humiliation and left before the game ended. Shri Dhyan Chand was among those who made Hitler his friend, and he requested to accept German citizenship and play for Germany, and in return he will get as much as money and he will be head of his army. But he refused, saying he does not play for money but for country. Major Dhyan Chand had open chance to accept that offer, but by rejecting the Hitler's offer, he set a good example of patriotism. The end of this legend was very sad. In 1956, at the age of 51, he retired from the army with the rank of major. After he retired, he coached for a while and eventually settled in Jhansi. The last days of Dhyan Chand were not very happy as he was short of money and was badly ignored by the nation. Once he went to a tournament in Ahmedabad and they turned him away not knowing who he was. He developed liver cancer and was sent to a general ward at the AIIMS, New Delhi. He died on the 3rd of December 1979, penniless and uncared for in a hospital, receiving a meager pension. His birthday is celebrated every year as National Sports Day. The Indian Postal Service issued a postage stamp in his memory, and the Dhyan Chand National Stadium at New Delhi has been named after him. Major Dhyan Chand is a true inspiration to all the sports persons. Dhyan Chand was given the nicknames the Wizard and the Magician of Hockey for his superb ball control. In his 23 years career, he scored a total of 570 goals in 15 matches. Few records in his name. He has scored around 1000 goals in his career, out of which 400 were in international matches. He has 3 Olympic gold medals to his credit. He was the leading goal scorer at the 1928 Amsterdam Olympics with 14 goals and also in 1936 Berlin Olympics. In the 1935 tour of New Zealand and Australia, Dhyan Chand scored a massive 201 goals in just 43 matches, a world record. The Government of India awarded Chand India's third highest civilian honour of Padma Bhushan in the year 1956. Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award, formerly known as Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in Sports and Games, is the highest sporting honour of the Republic of India. It is awarded annually by Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. By now, you must have got all your answers. To commemorate Dhyan Chand's birth anniversary in 2012, the Government of India designated 29 August as the country's National Sports Day. But not many people in India even know that there is a National Sports Day. So I request you all to share this video so that every Indian should know the importance of 29th August. Thank you.